Hello to you all! Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto. So have you heard of this popular game called BombCrypto? As a result of its high profitability and simple gameplay, BombCrypto is now the most popular GameFi project on BSC. You can earn thousands of dollars monthly, and the game may be played right from your browser, with no need for a download. But there is lots to say about this amazing play-to-earn crypto game, so let's get started. Idle NFT play-to-earn games like BombCrypto are among the most inexpensive options on the market. Only one hero is required to begin to play. Additionally, games are low risk unless you engage battle mode. Plus, idle games like BombCrypto can bring in passive income for those who enjoy them. So, in BombCrypto, you hunt for Bitcoin tokens and use NFT bomb heroes to battle enemies. These group of bombers have unique sets of statistics. Players that are fortunate enough in their search may come across one-of-a-kind bomb heroes with unique stats. The heroes can then be upgraded in the future to improve their abilities and value. Players are in charge of a squad of cyborg bomb squads tasked with finding Bitcoins. Earning Bitcoins, the game's native money, gives players access to unique features, the ability to purchase exclusive in-game products, and other benefits. In addition to the potential for financial gain, BombCrypto's popularity among gamers may have another factor at play. In many ways, this NFT video game is a spiritual successor to the legendary Bomberman arcade classic. Characters in BombCrypto are stranded in a maze and must shatter blocks to progress. But in BombCrypto, players can use the simulation calculator to estimate their daily profits. As an example, if you select 3 basic common heroes that have random traits, the average daily income would be around 0.95 Bitcoin. The hero's 30 Bitcoin payment will be recouped in 32 days. Also, BombCrypto's mining is more entertaining than DeFi's because of the random drawing of heroes that takes place. Spending towards your heroes should be seen as an expense rather than a contribution to the general fund. So many players flock to BombCrypto because it pays back swiftly, resulting in a net profit in just 32 days. And BombCrypto's principal token, Bitcoin, may be obtained by trading inside the DEX or blasting blocks during treasure hunts, competitions, and seasonal prizes. But to engage in future community building and to purchase heroes, products, and upgrades for heroes, you would have to use Bitcoin. So in light of these key points, BombCrypto has some good movements on the market. By buying low and selling high, users are taking advantage of the market, even mining and then selling the coins when the price goes up. There are 3 methods to gain the NFT heroes. Shop at the store. Heroes may be purchased from the shop by players. 10 Bitcoin is the price of a hero, but the hero you get is completely random. However, it's likely to be a common rarity because of drop rates. Hero to the rescue. During treasure hunt mode, you may come upon an imprisoned hero. It is up to your heroes in the map to release the hero, and if they succeed, you keep them. The NFTs Auction Marketplace. Explore auctions and buy NFTs there, an auction held in a public location. BombCrypto offers a peer-to-peer marketplace where gamers may exchange their heroes in order to make money and boost the liquidity of their assets. So the maximum number of active bomber heroes you can have on your account is 50. However, you may have up to 500 total, and health is not restored to inactive heroes. The bomber heroes must recharge their batteries. NFT heroes must be rested and restored after use in any game style. The amount of time they have to rest relies on your level as well as the amount of energy they have used up. The more skilled the hero, the longer it will take to properly recover if they don't get enough rest. While active, bomber heroes replenish your health, but you can also purchase a staff house to increase the healing speed by 4 times. It is not necessary to buy a house in order to participate, but if you want to play every day, it may be worth your while to make the investment. The cost of a tiny house is 720 Bitcoin, whereas the cost of a super villa is 21,600 Bitcoin. But more NFT heroes can be healed by upgrading your home. The core will be available in a future update, perhaps in later this year. But for the time being, homes just serve to speed up recovery. There are 3 different game types to choose from: treasure hunt, story mode, as well as battle mode. In treasure hunt mode, Bitcoins may be earned by releasing as many as 15 bomber heroes onto a map to unleash bombs, also destroy treasure chests, and clearing out a map. People will start with treasure hunt mode because it doesn't involve any active gaming. Idle mode is activated here. When the user sets their hero inside the mining region, the hero would automatically plant explosives to demolish the blocks, allowing Bitcoin to be harvested. When laying explosives, each hero will lose some of their energy. A player can purchase a home to speed up charging if the hero runs out of energy and enters a rest state to regain any lost energy. But your goal would be to eliminate the map as fast as possible, and if you have any more bombers that have higher stats, then the greater your chances of clearing the map quicker. Earnings per run might be as low as 4 to 5 Bitcoin. However, revenues will vary depending on the game mode as well as the price of Bitcoin. And clearing a map with 15 heroes might take about an hour, maybe more, depending on your player's levels. Story mode. So in story mode, you destroy monsters with your chosen bomber hero to advance the story. Bitcoins may be found by killing creatures and destroying blocks, and NFTs can be found by defeating bosses. Playing the game requires 15 heroes on your account, but you may only select one of them, plus you'll need a key found and mined in treasure hunt mode. Battle mode. Now, in battle mode, you go head-to-head with other players. An entrance fee is required, and the winner receives all of the benefits. In the battle mode, Bitcoin is awarded for a victory over all opponents. Earning money in battle mode is all about becoming the best. The admission fee paid by each participant acts as the prize pool. If you win, the loser's tokens that they purchased to participate in the match will be given to you. The only requirement is that your hero has decent stats and a high rarity. Therefore, newbies with weak heroes might want to hold off on trying this option, because losers have nothing to show for their efforts. The stakes are higher for those who enter. The heroes in BombCrypto are classified into rarity types, allowing the players to choose between the most common and rarest. The more rare a character is, the more powerful it is. It's important to keep in mind that each character has a unique set of skills, but once you buy the game, you'll be able to start making money. You can receive a character of any rarity for 10 Bitcoins, and you may get an ordinary character or even an extremely legendary character. And so, when all is said and done, you'll need about $390 to get started. It takes roughly 30 to 40 days to recoup your original investment if you buy 10 Bitcoins and only one single common character of random rarity. The monthly profit can be increased though. With your characters automatically demolishing chests and blocks while searching for prizes in treasure hunt mode, there are rewards in each chest that may be used to acquire new characters, increasing the quantity of Bitcoins that can be earned each day by the player. It is currently possible to earn about 5 Bitcoins each day if you have at least 11 to 13 heroes, which include 3 rares or 1 that is rare and then 1 that is super rare. This equates to around $5,900 each month, roughly 150 Bitcoins. But the frequency with which you participate, also the mode in which you play, will have an impact on your earnings. Plus, the amount and stats of bomber heroes that you purchase in BombCrypto determine your level of success in the game. You can also open several accounts, and to cash out your winnings, you must have mined a minimum of 40 Bitcoin. But BombCrypto is an absolutely awesome way to make that crypto cash, and players may also look forward to fresh narrative mode material, new fight modes, and much more features if they follow the BombCrypto roadmap. Hope you were able to learn from the video. Please like and subscribe. Take care!